Turning to the Gaza Strip, our colleagues at the Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs tell us that more people are being killed and injured either along convoy routes or where they're staying. The situation is beyond catastrophic. Hospitals are overstretched. Patients are lying on the floor or in the streets, suffering as beds, medical supplies, and equipment are severely lacking. Yesterday, emergency medical teams were denied entry into Gaza. The World Health Organization tells us that more than 100 health professionals, including surgeons and other specialized medical staff, have been barred from entry since March this year. Kamitsu, the High Representative for Disarmament, delivered a message on the Secretary. Yesterday, you heard that Israeli authorities allowed the entry of a limited number of trucks carrying commercial goods. While we are still following up to obtain more clarity on this, initial reports from our partners on the ground indicate that the items included rice, sugar, and vegetable oil. Sugar remains one of the most expensive items on the market. A 2-ounce bag costs some $170. Eggs, poultry, and meat have disappeared from the market. People rely on pulses and bread to survive when and if available, which is far from being enough for the most vulnerable people. The worsening market situation underscores the urgent need for the entry of humanitarian aid and commercial goods at scale and consistently. Starvation continues to happen, and today the Ministry of Health reported 5 new malnutrition-related deaths in the past 24 hours, bringing the total to about almost 200 deaths, half of whom are children.
But why hasn't
The limited availability of fuel continues to affect life-saving operations. In the past 2 days, the UN collected some 300,000 liters from the Kerem Shalom crossing. This is far less than what is needed to sustain operations. For example, our partners working in health warned today that the lives of more than 100 premature babies are in imminent danger due to the lack of fuel. Benzene has reached very low levels, with hardly any entering Gaza during the past 10 days. Miroslav Yencha, the Assistant Secretary General. Today, the Israeli military renewed 2 displacement orders, spanning some 1.5 square miles across 5 neighborhoods in Gaza and Khan Yunis governorates. Shelter materials have not been allowed to enter Gaza since the 2nd of March. The few shelter materials that are available on the local market are extremely expensive and limited in quantity, putting them out of reach for most families.